Hi friends, here is a nice problem about profit and loss. Here, Mr. A has a house which is worth $10,000 and he sells it to Mr. B at 10% profit. And Mr. B again sells the same house to Mr. A at 10% loss. Now, in this whole episode, whether A made any profit or A made a loss, or A did not, A neither made profit nor loss, or if so, either profit or loss, what exactly is the amount? This looks little tricky because it is the same house and Mr. A sold it for profit and B sold it for loss. Right. But we should not keep our fundamentals disturbed because of wording of the problem. Okay. So here Mr. A is selling it 10,000 plus 10% profit, which is 11,000, right? And Mr. B, he purchased at 11,000 and he is selling at 10% loss. That means he sold it for 9,900, right? So, A in this entire process, A made a profit of 1100. Please don't get confused. For example, in the beginning, A has one house, right? And in the end, again, A has the same house, right? A has a house, but its worth. A has a house. And by the end of this episode, by the end of both these sales, A has got the his same house again, plus this 1100 extra, right? A initially got 11,000 and he gave 9900 back. So A is left with 1100, right? Forget about the house. The value of the house, just ignore it. It doesn't matter whether it is 50,000, 100,000, 8,000, 5,000, or whatever. Right. The beginning, he has only one house. By the end of these two episodes, he has a house plus extra 1100. Why 1100? Because A got 11,000 and he gave away 9900, irrespective of the value of the house. Right? Don't get confused with the value of the house. Value of the house we are using one to calculate what is the incremental value, or what is the price at which it was sold. Right. Even if the house was valued at 2000 and still A sold it at 11,000 and B sold it at 9,900, then also it is 1100 only. Right. This is a nice problem. Please don't get confused in these kind of problems. Thank you, guys.